Good morning, students. You all are welcome to Gyanjoti online classes. Today I teach you chapter 6, class 6, name is Reader. What is your chapter's name? Social media, curse or boon. Social media, curse or boon. So what is curse? Curse means srap. Curse means srap. And boon means bardhan. Boon means bardhan. So in everything or in every field there is a positive and there is a negative. There is a positive, there is a negative. So in social media, in internet, in Facebook, in Twitter, in Google, in WhatsApp also, it is a curse for us and is a boon for us. Yes. So many advantage and disadvantage in social media. So let's read this chapter, and this is your hard work. You just copy it in your notebook. So what is your chapter? Let's read. You know internet? Do you know internet? About internet? You all know about internet. You all are use internet. Yes or no? Yes. So let's read. Today technology is taking over almost all spheres of human existence. Computers and mobiles have become an unavoidable part of our daily lives. Yes or no? Computer or mobile? Computer and mobiles are unavoidable. Yes, what is unavoidable? Which things we don't avoid, that is called unavoidable. So computers and mobile are unavoidable in our daily life because we use computers and mobile in our daily life. This has given rise to modern day phenomenon of social media. Phenomenon means wonderful. So the mobile, the computer, the internet, the social media, what this make phenomenon to our world. Phenomenon to social media means wonderful to social media. So social media is a term used to describe the interaction between virtual communities, a group or individual in which they produce, share, exchange of ideas over the internet. So what is social media? Social media is a way of communication. Social media is a way of communication. Then communication of individual. Then it produce things. Then it shares things. Then we can share and exchange our ideas over this internet or over social media. So they can also share videos, picture, all kinds of information over the internet. Some of the common examples include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, among others. So what are the example of social media? Internet. What are the example of social media? Internet, Facebook, then Twitter, WhatsApp, then Instagram. Yes, these are the what example of social media which we use in our daily life. And why we use this? We use for share many things, share our idea, share the information. Yes, and communicate to each other in the world. We use this social media platform. So there are many advantages of social media. Perhaps and sorry, previous time I told you to what? There are many advantages and many disadvantages also of social media. So let's study the advantages of social media. What are the advantages? The ability to connect with people across geographical and cultural barriers is perhaps a unique and very useful feature of social media. So the social media communicate that place. Which place is geographical barrier or cultural barrier? Barrier means block. Yes, the mountain, where there are mountains and the roads are damaged. That place, in that place, to that place also, the social media reach. Who reach? The social media reach that barrier place also. Yes. Professionals use these platforms to discuss their work, reach out a wider group of peers, and professional also. Professional like officer, teacher, then your accountant, all are media to do their work. Social media to do their work and do their work with group of peers. Peer means student, people or everyone. Yes. So they used to work and they communicate a group of peers. Likewise, we are also. Yes or no? This is the lockdown period and you can't come to school. So how you study in your home? Through this social media, through YouTube. Yes. So we just try to make a video and send to you, because you sit in your home and silently, you safely, you just study your course. Yes or no? So social media helps to you for your study also. So in our profession, in study, in every offices, social media, internet and computers is most used. Yes or no? Then student can use this platform to get in touch with fellow students and teachers from around the world and get a more enriching learning experience. And when the lockdown period is not happen, you also connected your friends. Now you all are connected with your friends, but many times ago you connected with your friends. Yes or no? Yes. And now also you connected with your friends and teacher because you study. Yes. Because you can't come to school. So you connected with whom? Connected with teachers and connected with your students or your friends. People are no longer limited by the constraints of time and space. This has opened immense possibility for everyone. Constraint means what? Constraint means pressure. Yes. So people are just pressure. Pressure to whom? Pressure to time and space. Yes. We have 24 hours in a day. We have 24 hours in a day. But although we just what? We have less time. We have less time to do many works. Yes or no? The time and the space less for us day by day. Yes or no? So consider this instance: a music student sitting in London. Consider this instance. Instance means example. Instance means example. So consider or look an example. What is an example? A music student sitting in London. A music student sitting in London can take guitar classes or guitar lesson from a teacher in India over YouTube. Yes or no? If a student in London and a guitar teacher is in where? A guitar teacher in India, and he teaches a lesson on YouTube and get a lesson and keep a lesson to the student of London. Yes, through this social media or YouTube. So Twitter allow you to see what people are talking about across the world. Facebook allow you to make new friends from. Yes, what is the work of Twitter? What is the work of Twitter? By Twitter, we know the people, what the people are working in the world, what the people's story. Yes, and what the government work for us. We know through by the Twitter. Then what is the work of Facebook? By Facebook or through the Facebook, we make many new friends. Then with social media, people can share their collective wisdom and experience among themselves. It does not matter if one lives in India or Africa. One is part of an ever shrinking global village. So if the people in a shrinking village, shrinking means become less. Yes. So if a people lived in a small village, very small village, or if a people lived in Africa, America or India, just he or she just enrich. There is enrich. Yes, enrich means move towards. Enrich his ability, his power, or his what? His or her power, his or her ability, or his or her wisdom, wise, intelligent, experience. He just what? He just look around the world through YouTube, through Facebook, through Instagram. Yes or no? They show the ability. They show the ability through the YouTube. Yes. So, however, there are some very significant disadvantages as well. I told you the previous time there are many advantages and disadvantages also of social media. So, we just learn the advantages of social media. What is the advantages of social media? What is the advantages of social media? The advantages of social media is what? We just learn many things from the social media, from internet, from Google. Yes, and we use Facebook to make friends. We use Twitter to know the various things. We use the what? Television. Television also we see in the mobile. Yes or no? So likewise, the social media is these are the advantages of social media. Yes. Now look the disadvantages. So what is the disadvantages? People, especially teenagers. Teenager means what? Teenager means the 14 to 20. 14 years to 20 years. This is the teenager. Yes, the teenager boy or girls is 14 to 20. So the people, especially teenagers, are getting addicted to this site. Despite the advantages, one must not forget that the virtual world cannot ignore the importance of actual human relationships. So you also 6-7 class boys, girls also addicted to which thing? Addicted to mobile or internet or Facebook or WhatsApp, but they forgot the relationship of human beings. Yes or no? We just forgot the relationship of our neighbor, the relationship to our family, the relationship to our every person, a teachers, a students. Yes, we just addicted in Facebook, we just addicted in WhatsApp, we just addicted in the mobile phone or internet. Yes or no? So it is a good thing? No, it is a bad thing. It is a very bad thing. We just use the social media like what? We just use the social media like some just medicine also. Yes, when we require the social media, we just use. Yes, and never we use social media just addictedly. Yes. Then, despite the advantages, one must forget. Yes, then teenagers are among the heaviest users of social networking. Children today are growing up surrounded by this interactive website, making social media a vital aspect of their life. So, for children, for teenagers, social media is the vital part of their life. Vital means important. So, the social media, the internet is the important part of a children's life or a teenager's life. Teenager, what is the age of teenager? 14 to 20. Yes. Then the constant urge. Yes, the constant urge means require. The constant urge to stay connected has exposed them to problems such as social network induced obesity, internet addiction, and loss of sleep. So, when a people or when a person addicted in social media, addicted to the Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. So, that person can't sleep well also in night. Yes or no? Yes. So he or she can't sleep in night well. Yes. He or she sleep in his or in her home less quantity. Yes. 2-3 hours just he sleep. But he just spend his all times in this social media. As kids get more addicted to these websites, they tend to spend more time indoors. Many kids are getting appropriate amount of physical exercise. This can be long-term health issue. Yes or no? So kids are also addicted. Yes or no? Your sister or brother also addicted. Yes or no? So अभी अभी क्या हो रहा है, छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी वीडियो नहीं देखेंगे, हाँ गाना नहीं सुनेंगे, कुछ गेम नहीं खेलेंगे तो खाना नहीं खाएंगे. Yes or no? इतना छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी 1 year 2 year 3 years बच्चे भी अगर फोन नहीं देखेंगे खाना नहीं खाएंगे. Yes or no? So छोटे छोटे the kids and the children and the teenagers all are addicted to this internet, all are addicted to the social media. But this is not a good thing because they just stay in their home, not go to outside to play with their friends, not to go outside play with the nature. Yes or no? So it is the health problem. It became a health problem to that person when he was old. Spending too much time online robs one of real world experience. This may hurt one's grades in school and may also disturb the overall development of a child. If a child do not read in his home, if a child do not read in its home, then what happened? Your scoring also down. अगर तुम बस फोन में लगते रहोगे तो तुम जब एग्जाम दोगे आपका रिजल्ट अच्छा आएगा, आपका ग्रेड डाउन हो जाएगा कि yes. So you should not addicted by phone. Yes. So this may hurt one grade in school and may also disturb the overall development of a child. Many teenagers find it difficult to socialize in the real world as they spend too much time in virtual world. Social loneliness and growing depression are very common problems among youngsters today. So it is addicted by the youngster or teenager. Yes, when they have no mobile, when they have no mobile or no internet or no money, what they do? They do nothing and they get depression. They get the depression. जब उनको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, मम्मी पापा गाली देंगे, ले जाएंगे फोन, इंटरनेट नहीं आएगा, क्या होगा? तो क्या होगा उस टाइम? डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं कि नहीं? कैसा करूँगा, मुझे इंटरनेट नहीं है, मैं गेम नहीं खेलूँगा, क्या करूँगा? ऐसे बैठे रहते हैं उदास होकर. यस और नो? दैट इज कॉल्ड डिप्रेशन. Cyberbullying means what? Cyberbullying is another major concern. Cyberbullying is when people attack each other on the internet. Cyberbullying is what? The people attack each other on the internet, through the internet. Teenagers are the biggest victim of this online trouble. It often includes insulting messages and sharing private information of the person being bullied. So हम जो भी फेसबुक में, व्हाट्सएप में छोड़ रहे हैं, यूज कर रहे हैं, वो सब इन्फॉर्मेशन को साइबर बुलिंग लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको लेके एक दूसरे को दिखा देते हैं या पब्लिक में आपका पोस्ट छोड़ देते हैं, क्या फालतू मैसेज या कुछ भी ऐसे फोटोज वगैरह क्या करते हैं, आपके प्रोफाइल में डाल देंगे. वो उनका काम होता है. तो वो क्या हुआ, आपके ऊपर अटैक हुआ. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड साइबर बुलिंग. So since internet it is very difficult to monitor. Since internet is very difficult to monitor, children may also be exposed to content which is not suitable for their age. Privacy is the bigger concern in these websites. So जो भी आप वेबसाइट खोल रहे हो उसमें प्राइवेसी इंपॉर्टेंस है. प्राइवेसी रख के खोलो, पब्लिक में उसको मत लाओ. पब्लिक में लाओगे तो साइबर बुलिंग होगा. Today there are people lurking. Lurking means what? Looking out. So today there are people lurking in these sites only to collect personal data of the users. Hackers, spam artists and stalkers use the advantage of anonymity. Anonymity means false name. So क्या कर रहे हैं आजकल बहुत लोग जिनको अच्छे से आता है टेक्नोलॉजी, एनोनिमिटी में मतलब फॉल्स नेम में कुछ आईडी खोल के आप लोगों का जो भी बैंक अकाउंट जो भी रहेगा, आपका पापा मम्मी का या जिसका कि आपका कुछ पर्सनल डाटा रहेगा उसको चुरा के उन लोग फायदा उठा रहे. यस. सो आप प्राइवेसी मेंटेन करना आपको जरूरी है. वी शुड मेंटेन द प्राइवेसी इन ईच वेबसाइट, हर वेबसाइट, ऑल वेबसाइट्स में. So even companies that operate social network are collecting a variety of data about their users. Both are personalize their services and to sell this data advertisers. Yes, so when you search the YouTube, yes, when you open the YouTube, when you open the dictionary, when you open the Facebook, you just look some advertisers. Yes, so the advertisers also bullying, the advertisers also hack your personal data. So be careful. The kind of information that such people are after includes pictures, personal details, interest, location, etc. They then try to find way in which they can exploit the data for their own advantage. So आप लोग कहाँ घूमने जाते हो तो छोड़ते हो कि नहीं? हम उधर ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं, इस लोकेशन में हैं, ठीक है, तो जो हैकर्स हैं उनको इजी हो जाता है आपसे चोरी करना हो कि आपका घर में आप जहाँ से छोड़ के गए हो अगर आप डाल दिए, आप अगर रहे हो नौपड़ा में, ठीक है, अगर आप रह रहे हो नौपड़ा में, आपको अगर दिल्ली जाना है तो आप लिख लिए ट्रैवलिंग टू दिल्ली, आप दिल्ली जा रहे हो लिख लिए। अब नोएडा में रहते हो, घर छोड़ के गए हो, ताला मार के छोड़ के गए हो, तो वो जो हैकर्स, वो चोर, वो रॉब्स लोगों को क्या, थीप को क्या मिल गया, आपका मिल गया क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन कि आप दिल्ली जा रहे हो, तो आपका ये घर खाली है, तो वो लोग क्या करेंगे, ये घर को आके ताला खोल के सब सामान ले जाएंगे। यस लोग, सो हमको कभी भी हमारा पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर नहीं करना चाहिए। यस, so the kind of information that such people are after includes picture, personal details and interest, location, etc. So we should not share our personal details, we should not share our data, we should not share our information, and we should not share our location where we have. Yes, so they then try to find ways in which they can exploit their data and for their information. Exploit means what? Achievement. So we don't share our achievement also, the data for their own advantage. It is easy to hide one's identity on social media and that make it difficult to track such people. So when you open a website, you just privacy, you just make privacy your data and information. When you make privacy of your data and information, the hackers will what? For the hackers it is difficult to open your data. Yes, so you must put your privacy in every website. Yes, hence one must always be careful about what one shares online. Personal pictures and information should never be shared on a public forum. Public forum means public court or public place. Yes, always read the privacy policy of a website before using it. So when we use a website, we must read the privacy policy and we must follow the privacy policy of that website. Then we open the website. Neither we don't open the website. We should not open the website. Yes. Always read the privacy policy a website before using it. Make your data viewable to only your family and friends. Avoid website to allow public viewing of your profile. When you open a profile or website, you just make your privacy policy and you just share your data and information to your family and friends. You don't or you should not share your information to the public. Yes, being careful is the only precaution one can take while using such platform. Avoid sharing details like your birthday, age, location, as this information could be useful to identity thieves. It is also not wise to publicize vacation plans. There have been cases where burglars have used this information to rob houses. मैं बताई कि नहीं, तो इधर बोला है कि आप कभी भी कहाँ जा रहे हो वैकेशन प्लान तो किसी को बताओ नहीं, बिकॉज योर हाउस वॉज नॉट सेफ। व्हेन यू गो टू योर वैकेशन द रोबर्स और द burglars or the thieves will come and what? They rob your house. Then these websites have become an integral part of our lives today. Despite the disadvantages, it is not possible to ignore them. However, we must be sensible to use these websites to our benefit and not let them take over our life entirely. So we use the website when it necessary, but we don't use the website when it is not necessary, and when we use the website we make the privacy policy. So this chapter was complete. What is the chapter? Social media cause and burn. So what is cause? हम जब सोशल मीडिया को अच्छे से यूज नहीं करेंगे, प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी मैक नहीं करेंगे, लोकेशन दे देंगे तो हमारे लिए वो बुरा है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉज फॉर अस. बट बून क्या है? हमें वो सोशल मीडिया से सब कुछ हेल्प मिलता है, न्यूज़ मिलता है, इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलता है. कुछ नहीं आता तो हम सर्च करते थे, वो भी आता है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड बून फॉर अस to social media. So social media is curse also and boon also. Curse is what? Curse is the disadvantages of social media. Curse is the disadvantages of social media, and boon is your advantages. Boon is your advantages of social media. Curse is your disadvantages of social media, and boon is your advantages of social media. Yes. So your chapter social media is finished. These are your homeworks. You just write in your home, and you just try to do the exercise also. You just sit in your home and try to do the exercise. This is your fill in the blanks. This is your answer this question. Then this is also answer this question. Then this is what? This is what? This is anagram. Yes. What is anagram? These are the anagram. Means over row. Over one are there. So are, era, there are three. Means there are three letters. There are three letters. Look this. Yes. There are 5 letters. THREE 5 letters. And we use the 5 letter and make another word also, that is there. 3 and there. Yes. So we can use 5 letters to make 2 words. So likewise OD forest, we use these letters and make another what? Make another word. Use this letter and make another word. Then this is your preposition. Add a preposition, you know. Then this is simple and compound sentence. Yes, we just read in grammar, then you do this. Yes. So this is all of your social media course and boon. So social media for us, social media is course also, and for us social media is boon also. We just careful when we make website and when we work in social media, and we should not use social media anytime. Yes, we should not use social media anytime. We should use the social media if there is necessity for us. Yes. So this is all about your chapter. घर में रहो, अच्छे से रहो और इसको करने के लिए कोशिश करो. Yes, try to do this exercise of your chapter 6. Yes, thank you. Have a nice day.